welcome to the masculine suite. The best thing about this house is we have a his and hers master, so we wanted to make the master on his side very masculine. And I think we did that really well by bringing in the dark charcoals throughout on the drapery panels as well as the bedding. And you'll also see it on this rug, and I love this rug because it also plays off of the really dark hardwood, just again, keeping it extremely masculine and modernizing it with this really cool fan. Off of his master bedroom, we do have the office, and some of my favorite sconces are in there, and it highlights this beautiful large piece of art, which again, just playing off of everything. He loves nature, so we have greenery throughout, and it's just this really cool tree. And also, we have the same colors that you'll see throughout in his bathroom. His flooring is to die for. It has the blacks, the marbles, the white, everything. It's just amazing. And it takes you straight into his walk-in shower. So we reworked the layout of the bathroom, and we removed the bathtub because he didn't really need one, and we made the shower much larger and also added the unique feature of an ensuite sauna, which ended up being the focal point of his master bathroom.